I was approached by some friends of a woman who had died of cancer, and her son was a student here in the 7th grade. They explained to me her last year that they'd spent together, they were able to read, and that was very important to their relationship as she was declining. And they asked me to do something for her, and so as a parent and as a teacher, I was really struck by the reading part. I'd read to my daughter a lot when she was younger, and so I decided to do a series of books, blocks, childlike things, all stacked haphazardly together. And then as I was making the piece, I realized it needed something else for the memorial part. So I asked the son and the father to write a letter to her, and then I etched that in copper, and I put those in the leaves of the book on the very top as a memorial there. So, but it turned out to be it was my first real objective piece, something that uses object rather than something abstract as a beginning point. So that was kind of fun and different. And the books look like they're about to fall and precarious, but stacked like you would stack them next to your bed, when you're reading. I built that piece, of course, at home, then assembled it here in place.